Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a rare opportunity we have with a lightly pre-owned 2020 Scout 330 LXF. Starting off in the bow, this boat has the through the stem anchor windlass system with pedal controls on the foredeck in addition to the controls you have at the helm. We have receivers here to accommodate a bow sunshade when you're anchored or beached, kind of like we are here on the Wando River. Recessed cleats are throughout the boat. The bow seating area is very deep with nice high backrests, very comfortable for lounging or for accommodating several couples seated up here facing inward. This nice Aztec teak table is powered to raise and lower. So here we have it in the upright position for cocktailing or alfresco dining. You can drop this to be flush with the cushions to add a filler cushion, or you can drop it all the way to the floor to get it out of the way. We have cup holders on either side here. Another set of cup holders that can also accommodate a rod on both sides, and then cooler boxes on both sides of the bow. All of these cushions remove if you want to fish the bow area and get the upholstery out of the way. And you also have really deep storage beneath both of the bow lockers. We also have a stereo remote and controls for that bow table. And again, that lowers all the way to the floor or flush with the cushions. The coffin box chase lounge seating area is very large, very comfortable area to sit with armrests on both sides and cup holders conveniently placed. This is the Heritage Ultra Vinyl from Scout, so very soft and cool to the touch. Deep storage as well beneath the coffin box chase lounge. Plenty of room for life jackets, lines, throwables, the filler cushion we currently have stowed in there. JL audio sound system with speakers up front, along with charging ports on both sides, and a recessed area with non-skid to keep cell phones and bottles of sunscreen from sliding around. And now we'll make our way to the cabin. So transitioning inside the cabin, port side entry, really spacious cabin area. We've got a porcelain vacuum flush toilet, really deep cabin with a filler cushion, synthetic wood floor. This space is air conditioned. You can see we've got the air conditioning unit on the back wall there. We've also got our inverter located behind these storage hatches. And we have our battery switches, ignition key, and our stereo head unit as well. So the helm area, battery charger for this boat, conveniently located right here. At the helm, we've got an elevated position for our feet with sea deck foam for some added comfort, both if you're standing or if you're seated. The helm seats have bolsters that adjust independently of each other, so you can lean or sit, whether you're the driver or the observer. You have a glove box that also serves as an armrest, and then outboard armrests on both sides as well. Storage inside the glove box is great for wallets and keys, and you've got another one located here as well. Twin 16-inch Garmin screens at the helm. We've got a 4-inch Mercury vessel view display that will show all of our engine data. Steering wheel is on a tilt base. This is the upgraded Edson steering wheel with a steering knob and a rubber back. Joystick boat from Mercury. This boat's powered with twin 400 Verados. Those are the inline 6 supercharged engines. And we've got digital throttle and shift with that Mercury control. Up above, we've got some hardwired switching on the boat in addition to the digital switching that is through the Garmin's. You can see we already have the fiberglass hardtop shade deployed, which also gives you a moonroof or sunroof effect. VHF radio is already installed as well. Digital start and stops. And there's also air conditioning vents at the helm as well. Overhead lighting and speakers beneath the hardtop, both forward and aft. And now we'll come back to the port side. Port side of the leaning post, we have 3 rows of tackle drawers. We have a reboarding ladder, one of 2 on the boat. This one is for The swing-in dive door. Big, heavy-duty, beefy hardware. Great for if you're anchored or beached or if you're pulling in that big catch. This boat also has quick connect fender pros. So transitioning your fenders is very quick and convenient. We also have our live well located here in the port aft corner. Pump out fish boxes are in the floor on both sides. This is another look at that fiberglass hardtop shade with articulating rocket launchers that raise and lower to accommodate the shade. Also makes it much easier to remove or insert a rod. On the back side of the landing post, we've got a freshwater sink, a cutting board, a Kenyon electric grill that runs off the inverter system. We have a slide out Yeti cooler, raw and freshwater connections conveniently located in the storage net area. This boat also has the quick connect for the flushing system, so you can flush both engines with one single hose connection. Coming up along the starboard side of the console, you've got a nice trash receptacle that's conveniently located. And on the starboard side console, we have storage for boat hooks, deck brush, lines, things you want to keep nice and neat and out of the way. Finishing up in the cockpit area again, we have undergunnel rod storage along the starboard side. Again, this is a great area for a deck brush or a boat hook. Cup holders and rod holders along the back. Nice big stern seat with a high backrest. Easily can seat 2, maybe even 3. Heavy-duty fiberglass transom door that locks into place. And easy access to the swim platform, which is a full walk-through swim platform. Easy access to both sides of the boat. Again, the boat is powered by twin 6-cylinder supercharged Mercury Verados with joystick. Great power for this boat. Runs about 52 miles per hour top end. If you have any questions about this boat, please give us a call at 843-747-1889. And again, my name is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. Thanks for watching.